everyone, welcome back. I've decided to start reviewing the Spellbinders monthly club kits, quite simply because I have been subscribing myself for several months now, and I started off with, you know, this club, that club, the other club, and then ended up with the whole shebang. Anyway, the box arrived this morning, and when I opened it and realised what it was, I was so excited. I decided that I really should just turn the camera on and do an unboxing video. So you can expect to see one of these unboxings every month from now, and also, time permitting, I'm going to try and stick in a couple of projects using the contents. The only other thing to add at this point, I think, is that I've paid for everything you see. It's not sponsored by Spellbinders in any way. So let's move on to the type of clubs that you can join. As you can see from the screenshot, there are different clubs for stamps, dies, small dies, large dies, glimmer, card kit, which gives you all your card and paper, and so on. So there's lots and lots of different choice. I am going to put a link below to the Spellbinders club kit page, just in case anyone's interested in joining one or more. They also do really good value clubs, and as you can see there, they're a really good price for the amount of content you get in the kit. And as I am now subscribed to the total package, that's why I'm doing an unboxing. There are other club member benefits, so obviously you can just use that link and have a look if you're interested. So let's start. So it's travelled from America to UK, and I'm so excited, as you can see by the jazz hands. I'm moving all the big sort of dies and glimmers, etc. out of the way. Looks like my sequins have escaped, and I'm going to basically start with the card kit of the month, which is the box that you see there, and then I'll show you all the bigger sort of metal kits, etc. So this is the Spellbinders total package for October 21. And right, so we open the box and we've got, oops, we've made an error, your replacement sticker sheets have been added. So they must have forgotten to put those inside. So that gives you a bit of an idea of colour schemes for this month. Really beautiful pinks, lilacs, purples, blues, all of which I really love. So I'm happy with that. So we'll put those to one side and start on the main box. What have we? Random sequins everywhere. I'm clearly going to have to be picking those up as we go through. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, so I'll just collect the sequins as I go and put them to one side, and we'll start by looking at the card kit of the month. So everything in the card kit is listed on this card here, and as you can see, we have 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 9 pieces of cardstock, a set of 8 dies, a paper pad, stamp set, puffy stickers, epoxy stickers, cardstock stickers, sequins, which are everywhere, die cut shapes, foam squares, adhesive tape. So that's the contents. So let's have a look at everything individually. Start off with the simple stuff. We've got a few foam squares there and some adhesive tape, which looks to be about 1/4 of an inch wide. Then we go on to the cardstock stickers. So as you can see, they're all in exactly the same lovely tones of pinks, purples, blues, golds, all sorts of things, hearts, stickers, sentiment strips, unicorns, which I love a unicorn, and looks like a faces of the moon type just embellishment. So they're all very pretty. So here's the little monkey that obviously the back, the clip and seal isn't sealed, but But these are the sequins anyway. They're a lovely kind of pale pink holographic colour. I will just pick them up and put them back in the packet as we come across them, in fact. So moving on to the die set, which is part of the card kit of the month. That's got how many dies? 8 dies in it. 3 which do a pretty outline, and then the words and 2 pieces of the moon and some stars. The words read "Shine On," and you can do. It comes in 3 separate pieces, which is why it's all a bit higgledy-piggledy on the die there. So this is what it all die cuts out to look like. That's the words and the outline and the moon, not the stars. They're different stars. So those are 5-pointed stars on the actual die. But yeah, that'll be a nice pretty little embellishment, and you can use that in all different colours, not just the colours that's shown there. It'd probably be lovely with the background cut out in like a silver glitter or mirror cardstock, and then the dark blue on top, so the stars would be nice and sparkly. So that's that piece. Moving on to the 10 cards and 10 envelopes, which are all white this month. And the card has some texture to it. It's not quite a linen type texture, it's a bit rougher than that, but it's very pretty nonetheless. It's kind of almost like a burlap type texture, I would say, maybe something like that. So next we have the, looks like they didn't forget to put the stickers in. So looks like sequins everywhere again. Looks like I've actually been given 2 sets of stickers this month there that they hadn't forgotten to put in. So those are the puffy stickers, which are in a quite a dark gold colour. I'll just open that up so you can have a look at the kind of profile, if you like. They're quite big words, and as you see from the side, they do have some kind of profile to them. They're the puffy stickers, and you get 2 sets of those in the pack, so they'll last for quite a while. Nice words though: dream, big, shine, magical for your unicorns. Then I'll go on to the cardstock next. I'm excited to see what colours we've got of the cardstock. So 9 sheets of cardstock, all in those beautiful tones that are running throughout the kit, and a nice piece of gold mirror card. Other than that very tiny little bit of damage to the corners, the cardstock is all beautifully smooth. But you can see how lovely they all match in together, so you can have you've got a lovely theme running throughout the kit. Very happy with all that. So I'll start using some of that on die cutting shortly. Then we have the stamp set, which is pretty. It's got some lovely little sentiments in it. Be bright, be happy, be you. That's lovely. And a lot of stars coming out of hands. You were born to shine and sparkle. Lovely. Then I'm just going to not worry about those sequins for now, and I'll go back and sort them out later off camera. So yeah, won't worry about it. Just push the box to one side out of the way, and then look at this is the final piece of the card kit. Oh, and another sequin, which is the paper pad. So obviously you don't have to worry about coordinating colours if you go for something like the card kit, which is really good value for money, because everything matches everything, as you can see there. Lovely. So we'll just have a little quick flew through all the designs there for you. Lovely pale blues, gold stars. I like a nice bit of grey paper, me. Lilac with the phases of the moon on it. Lovely lilac floral, absolutely gorgeous papers. Gold hearts on that one, lovely pink stars, oh, and a lovely pink floral, and that is just beautiful gold on blue, and then flicking through the rest because there are basically 2 sheets of each design within that paper pad. So that is everything for the card kit of the month. Now we'll move on to the other items. So starting with the APG die of the month. This one is like a lovely kind of embellishment, like flourishy type frame. They do give all the kits have an example of how to use them on the back and what colour cardstock and etc. to cut them out of to get exactly the same look that they've got. But it's got 4 large dies and then a couple of little small ones as well to go along with it. So this is the large die of the month kit called Santa's Fireplace. I'm really excited for this one. It just looks great. You cut out the fireplace. You don't have to use that just for Christmas. You can use it for anything. You can put the wording goes along the hearth, so that will fit into there. And then it's got wreaths, candelabras, Christmas stockings, and Santa's legs, and a fire grate. Absolutely fabulous. I'm so looking forward to putting this one together. I'll probably change the colours up a little bit, but that's that one. This one I was really excited to get. This is the small die of the month. I just love that pickup truck. It's fabulous. Holiday Haul it's called. And obviously, again, that you don't just have to use it for Christmas, but there are gifts and Christmas trees, etc. to put in the back if you want. Or you could just put anything in the back. You can change that for whatever type of card you want to use. So yeah, really looking forward to putting that one. I'll probably video that one. Then we have the Glimmer of the month, Glimmering Autumn Woods. So lots of little a maple leaf, a mushroom, an acorn, an oak leaf, and there's some little foliage as well, and a sentiment. So in that pack there are 5 or 6 foils I think, and then about 8 different cutting dies to cut. Once you've foiled them you can then cut them out. So that's fabulous. I'm looking forward to using that. And then what else have we got? Oh yes, the clear stamp of the month, which also comes in with the cutting die for the large words. Fabulous sentiments. A truckload of happiness, sending you a little pickup. I love that one. That'll go great obviously with the pickup truck. Miles of smiles, that'll also go great with the pickup truck. And then for some reason they've sent me 2 of the dies to go with the clear stamp set, which you've got, cuts out the 3 large words, sending you and for you obviously. So I did forget to do this at the time, and that by the time I got around to filming it I had a little bit of Maine Coon interference. So introducing Sir Diesel of Baratheon and his amazingly sharp claws there. That was the foil that comes with the Glimmer of the month. So just spreading it all out so that you can see everything all together. The this is what you get in the total package for your $100. Very good shipping as well, only $15 shipping to the UK, which I think is a bargain. And obviously if you bought all those things separately it would cost way more than that. So yeah, that is my first Spellbinders total package kit of the month unboxing, and everything that you get minus the glimmer foil because I'd left that off to the side and had to film it later. So very, very happy with my purchase, and can't wait till next month now. See what comes next month. There is a link below to take you to the club kit page. If you're interested, you can have a browse through all the different options available. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye for now.